In here, it's completed. I was doing my walk right now. I'm cold. There's lots of snow. My feet are freezing. Okay, I just got done doing my run. I believe it was like a 45-minute run slash walk. I'm pretty sure it wasn't the best speed due to the snow, but hey, my nose is a little runny. I got tissues in my pocket. I'm gonna take care of that in a minute. Now I'm just walking home. There's lots of snow, as you can tell. A lot of snow. I'm walking home, and then I'm gonna go do my leg workout. And I'll catch you in a few. Bye. Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yes.
Love you. Sound beautiful.
What? Excuse me.
You ready? Just go. No, I love you more.
I love you.
Alright, ready for school? Good morning, Madeline. I'll see you later. Have a great day. At the 7 train. I live by the 7 train. Die by the 7 train. Hi YouTube, I'm coming on here just to give a vlog about my 90 days to a new me. I started a 90-day challenge. It started February 10th. It'll go until May 10th. And I hope to come on and give you an update as I go around making this change. My goal for this year and this challenge is to lose 20 pounds. That'll put me at 147. I'm hoping it can happen. I will be happy even if I lose 10 pounds. Again, everybody's beautiful. Everybody looks great. It's just for me and myself. I know I feel like I'm not fitting into my clothes anymore. And that's a little nerve-wracking when you were last year around the same time. So that's the reason I'm doing it. My uniform is tight. So I need to do a cleanse and get my body back into shape. So the way I'm doing it is I'm getting up early. I'm going for runs. I'm eating healthier. My whole day, I showed you my run this morning, how I got ready and I went out there and I did it. I didn't care what anybody thinks or anything. Snow on the ground, my shoes were wet, but I did it and I went out there and I got it done. I also showed you what I ate this morning, what I ate for lunch, and later on you'll see what I eat for dinner. Over here, you can see what I'm looking like now. It's not the worst and it's not the best, but it's me and I'm happy with how I look. I just know I can be a little bit more fitter and a little bit more healthier. Over here is my weight from this start of this challenge, which was February 10th, and this is my weight now. Again, what I've probably lost is just water weight. I know I haven't lost actual weight. It'll take a while for that to come off, but eventually it will come off. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and subscribing and staying and watching them, even though there might be some glitches because I'm still new to this and trying to learn like a lot of new YouTubers are learning. I know my editing and some of my scripts have come out a little wonky, I guess you could say. And I'm just trying to do my best, and I hope you'll stick around and watch. I'm going to try my best to come on and vlog twice a week. Most of my videos will come out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so check them out. I don't know what they'll be. I personally just want to give you anything that I'm feeling is on my mind and that I feel like might be useful for someone else to use or learn. As you might have seen, my Valentine cake came out a few days ago on Monday. It was just a Valentine's cake, so if you needed to make a cake for your Valentine, you could do it in time. Today, I believe my soup video came out, the Tuscan soup, so if you haven't seen that, please check it out. Again, I'm just coming on, I'm showing you different tips and tricks that I use to get stuff done throughout my day. I do have other projects coming up. I own a very big house upstate, and there are a lot of projects that need to be done. We have a fence that still needs to be finished that we've tried to finish since 2019. Not easy. I have some fruit trees that I need to cut back. I have a porch that I started last year but unfortunately was not able to finish that has a full 2 inches of snow covered on it. And there's so many more projects upstate that I need to get done. I also plan on coming on and showing you our Volkswagen bus, where we're going to gut it out and start the process of rebuilding it so that hopefully in the near future I can travel around the United States in a Volkswagen bus camper. I can't wait for that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I do have 3 closets I want to redesign upstate. We also want to start the process of doing an Airbnb out of our barn. That needs to start getting water and electricity ran to it, and then we're going to insulate it and redo the outside so that hopefully we can start having guests come and enjoy the upstate nature. We also have a hiking path at the top of our hill that I plan on making more paths through and actually making a map so that if you come and stay at our Airbnb in our barn, you'll be able to walk up our property and actually go through those high hiking trails that we plan on making for others to be able to enjoy. Our property is pretty big. We own about 8 acres of land, and we own another 4 acres down the road that we plan on doing more things to. And I hope you'll just follow along and get to know us, what our plans are all about, what we plan to do, and just the little ins and outs about us. In the near future, I plan on doing my Appalachian Trail hike, which I hope you'll follow along with me and my son. We are going out this year. We're gonna do Massachusetts to Connecticut, Connecticut to New York, where I started last year. It's about 150 miles. I'm hoping my son can do it. I'm pretty sure and confident he can. But if we don't make it to the end, we'll have my husband come pick us up wherever we end off. I'm looking forward to that one most of all, because it's the first time that me and my son are actually going to go out on a hike by ourselves for a whole week. So please check that one out. But like I said, this video and this vlog is going to be about my 90 days to a healthier new me. Please check it out. I will come on with shorts if I can't come on and vlog about my day and what I'm doing to keep in shape and what I'm eating and how I'm staying healthy. My different changes throughout this whole process. You'll see from start to finish what I look like, what my end weight is, and I'll be sure to keep you updated throughout. So please continue to watch. Again, like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you do. I hope you stick around and get to know me and my family and what we're all about. Watch to the end because you'll see the rest of the video. I plan on doing my leg workout. I plan on cooking my dinner. And I plan on showing you what the end of my day is. I also plan on journaling. I write out my calories so you can see what my calories were for today. And I'll finish with going to bed. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
This is space.
Why?
No, that's space.
Are you trying to... Who are you? Did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Did you wash your face?
Yes.
All right, time for bed. Let's get in. Sweet dreams, okay? Don't let the bed bugs bite. But if they do,
Hit them with a shoe and turn them black and blue.
okay, give me a kissy. I love you.
I love you too.
Good night, baby.
If you made it this far, I want to thank you for sticking around. Have a good night. Alexa, good night.
Nighty night. Get some good rest.